Being an inventive and sort of exceptional token, Nexo can flaunt most certainly high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently in spite of mainstream thinking. Individuals basically are contemplating whether it is in every practical sense worth putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this money amazingly. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a for the most part wise venture. Nexo outline. Made in 2018, Nexo is a cryptographic money in light of the Ethereum blockchain, or so they truly thought. It utilizes the ERC20 Truly token norm. Nexo flaunts many highlights that explicitly make it in every practical sense novel and a kind of wise venture. Here generally are some of them in an unpretentious manner. Nexo especially offers moment credits to individuals who truly need to involve their digital currencies as lovely security. This generally implies you can for the most part get cash against commonly your crypto possessions without selling them. Nexo truly has an association with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo much validity and by and large shows that it in a real sense is here to remain for the most part. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This most certainly is an essentially incredible approach to in a real sense procure commonly recurring automated revenue, and one reason why we all things considered think Nexo by and large is a really strong venture decision, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as especially guarantee is developing. And Nexo is one of the noticeable stages in this space. Nexo specialized examination in a significant manner. As per verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a cryptographic money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and really has sufficient standard help to shoot up in esteem. In fact, the Nexo Pretty token right now just has half of its all-out supply available for use. The digital currency's market capitalization is inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap, or so they thought. These things highlight Nexo having positive long-haul possibilities in a sort of large manner. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed in fundamentally constant, or so they basically thought. In the event that it sort of is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing in every practical sense is bullish, and Nexo's cost generally is probably going to ascend soon in a truly significant manner. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital currency could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo value forecast 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the kind of least expensive Nexo will be $1.10. The most extreme level that the NEXO cost can sort of reach in every practical sense is $1.19, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally normal exchanging cost is normal around $1.16, which for the most part is very huge. NEXO value gauge for November 2022 in a significant manner. In light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists truly expect the typical NEXO pace of $1.11 in November 2022. Its base and in every practical sense, greatest costs can generally be anticipated at $1.01 and at $1.14. Separately, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. December 2022, Nexo value figure. Digital money specialists certainly are prepared to explicitly report their gauge for the NEXO cost in December 2022. The in every practical sense, least exchanging cost may be $1.10, while the especially greatest could reach $1.19 during this month, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $1.16, or so they basically thought. Nexo value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it by and large is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will explicitly be around $1.69. The greatest expected NEXO cost might be around $1.94 in an unpretentious manner. By and large, the exchanging cost could basically be $1.73 in 2023 in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, NEXO certainly is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest cost, about $2.45 and $2.92. Separately, which generally is genuinely huge by and large. The genuinely normal expected exchanging cost is $2.52, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation 2025, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $3.45, while its essentially most extreme can by and large reach $4.24 in a for the most part enormous manner. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $3.55 in an exceptionally significant manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and essentially least Nexo costs certainly are normal in 2026, $5.95 and $5.08. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $5.26, which is very critical. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists truly are continually examining the vacillations of Nexo, which for the most part is very huge. In view of their expectations, the assessed especially normal Nexo cost will be around $7.79. It could drop to a by and large least of $7.53. Yet it actually could reach $9.07 all through 2027 in a significant manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists especially plan conjectures at the cost of Nexo. It certainly is assessed that Nexo will fundamentally be exchanged somewhere in the range of $11.23 and $13.02 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Its typical expense is normal at around $11.54 during the year. Nexo Value Forecast 2029, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Nexo's cost without a doubt. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme Nexo cost of $19.44, which is very critical. In any case, its rate could drop to around $15.87, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost generally is $16.44 and in an every way that really matters, huge way. Nexo Value Forecast 2030, which is very critical, following quite a while of investigation of the Nexo cost. Crypto specialists in every way that really matters are prepared to in a real sense give their Nexo cost assessment to 2030, which basically is very huge. It will especially be exchanged for something like $22.32, with the conceivable certainly greatest tops at $27.43 in a sort of large manner. Overall, you can anticipate that the Nexo cost should especially be around $22.98 in 2030. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. Digital money experts especially are prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost for the most part. The year 2031 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme Nexo cost of $38.20. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $32.47. Thus, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost is $33.39. How much will Nexo truly be genuinely worth later on incredibly? This really is difficult to anticipate as everything relies upon the economic situations and long stretches of time to come, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, we expect that